If Waze is not showing map on your device, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end and learn how to fix it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. When Waze is not showing map, simply follow this video and perform as shown to easily fix it. Before we get into the solution, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you're facing any issue while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. First, close the app and relaunch it. Sometimes the simple effort can solve this problem. So try it. If that doesn't work, check if there is any pending update. Waze may need an update. Update the app and see if the issue is fixed. Next, check that your display is working fine and there is no problem with it. Sometimes your display may lag while showing certain animations or in this case, the Waze map. Make sure it's not happening. Restart your device and then check if the issue persists. Method 2. If Waze map is still not working after updating, then try restarting the location or GPS service on your smartphone. Pull down the notification slider and then turn off the location or GPS service icon. Wait for a minute or so. Turn it on again and check if the Waze map is working now. Method 3. Next thing you can try is refreshing the map. Open Waze on your device and tap on the My Waze search button. Next, tap on the gear icon or settings as shown in the picture. Click on the General option. Select the Refresh Map of My Area option. Now tap on the Waze map and zoom in and out of the map. Check if it is working now. Method 4. Another thing you can try is clearing the app cache of Waze on your device. Find the Waze app on your smartphone. Tap and hold on it until a menu appears. Select the App Info option. Tap on the storage usage as shown in the picture. Find the Clear Cache option. Tap on it and confirm to clear the accumulated cache. After clearing the unnecessary data, check if the Waze map is loading properly. Method 5. If nothing works and the Waze Live map is not working on your device, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Waze app. Tap on the app and hold until a menu pops up. Tap on the uninstall option next. Visit Google Play Store and search for Waze. Install Waze again. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.